Hello, this is Peter from First Maths. Today we are looking at number problems using ratio for Year 6. What resources do we need to use today? Boxes, beads in 2 different colours, mental learning objective, solve simple problems involving ratio. Mental learning task. I'm going to start the lesson with some practice in doubling. I will show a number, your teacher will raise their hand, everybody call out the number. What is double 3? 3, 2, 1, tell me. That's right. The answer was 6. What is double 19? 3, 2, 1, tell me. That is correct again. The answer was 38. What is double 90? 3, 2, 1, tell me. That is correct. The answer was 180. You guys are awesome. What is double 0.3? 3, 2, 1. Tell me. That is correct. It is 0.6. Wow, guys, you're on fire today. What is double 2.5? 3, 2, 1, tell me. That is correct again. It is 5. You are awesome in maths. What is double 27? 3, 2, 1, and tell me. That is correct. The answer was 54. Let's look at the next one. What is double 0.9? Now careful, this one is a tricky one. 3, 2, 1, tell me. You can see I didn't trick you. The answer is 1.8 because 9 and 9 makes 18. So a tenth of 18 is 1.8. What is double 12.5? Again, it could be tricky. 3, 2, 1, tell me. That's right. It was 25 because the half and the half make a whole. So it's 12 plus 12 plus a half, which makes 25. Today you're going to learn about proportion and ratio. How much do you remember about this topic? What does ratio and proportion mean? Pause the video and tell your teacher. A painter is painting a room. She has decided to mix her own paint and makes a lovely green by mixing 1 litre of yellow paint and 2 litres of blue. Everyone loves the colour, so much they want her to paint their rooms that colour. However, some people have small rooms needing very little paint. Some people have large rooms needing lots of paint. If she wants to make twice as much paint as she did the first time, how much of each colour should she use? Pause the video and tell your teacher. If she wants to make twice as much as she did the first time, of each colour, how much should she use? The answer, of course, is 2 yellow and 4 blue. If she wants to use 3 litres of yellow, how much blue should she use? Work this out before clicking on. Tell your teacher. If you use 10 litres of blue paint, how much yellow should she use? Pause the video and tell your teacher. She wants to paint a small room. She uses a litre of blue paint. How much yellow does she need? Pause the video and tell your teacher. Mental learning objective. Solve simple problems involving ratio. Main learning objective. Identify and use appropriate operations to solve word problems. Make and investigate a general statement about familiar numbers by finding examples that satisfy it. Key idea. I can make generalizations. This is what we're really focusing on today, so keep it in mind. Main learning task. In this lesson, we're going to do some more work on ratio, this time using beads. Can 2 children go to the front of the class? Give each one a box in which to place the beads you give them. I also need someone to record. Pause the video until everyone is ready. Write down how many beads of each colour there are in the boxes. The total number of beads. So, if one box has 4 red beads, how many blue beads will I need? If there are 4 red, what is the pattern here? 1 red bead, 2 blue beads, total number 3. 2 red beads, 4 blue beads. What is the total number? Fill in this chart. If one box has 100 red beads, how many blue beads will I need? Pause the video and work out the answer. Why is there always an even number of beads in the blue bead box? Pause the video and explain your answer. The answer is because the blue beads is always a double of the red beads. And of course, if you double, you get an even answer, even number. If I had 30 beads in total, how many blue and how many red are there? Pause the video and work out the answer. How did you work that out? Explain it to your teacher. Pause the video to explain. Your teacher will ask you other ratio and proportion questions. Pause the video and complete this activity. Main learning task. Simplification. Provide coloured cubes or beads so children can model the problem. Challenge. Children can invent their own total numbers and share them out in a ratio of, say, 1 to 6. What happens when the number is not divisible by 6? That is an interesting question, and I'm sure you will find the answer. Copy and complete this table. Pause the video and let the students complete their task. Main learning objective. Identify and use appropriate operations to solve word problems. Make and investigate general statement about familiar numbers to find examples that satisfy it. Plenary. What were the answers to the table? How did you find this? Which parts were easy? Pause the video and answer the questions. Which were hard? Pause the video again and answer this question. How else could we write red to blue? how many red equal 1 blue? Pause the video and answer the question. For every red bead, there were 2 blue beads. The ratio of red to blue is 1 to 2. The number of blue beads is twice the number of red beads. I can make generalizations. Did you learn this in this lesson? Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a like below. Please subscribe to my channel and also press the notification bell to be informed every time I upload a maths resource. I look forward to seeing you again very soon. Bye for now.